So this one's going to be a little bit more interesting. This is the Model 99 Daisy that I've posted some photos on here recently. It had a very messed up shot tube that had been soldered with a paper clip used as the spring BB retainer, and it also has the spring retainer, plunger retainer replaced with a nail. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my vice grips and attach it to the nail that's been used. I believe that'll work. And take this plunger disassembly tool, just simply something you can either find off of eBay, come up with a way to, in fact, make one of your own. Insert it back here. Sometimes a light is necessary, otherwise you can just do it by feel. We are going to grab a flashlight so we can see what we're doing here. Aha. And it's in place. Pushing down in there, getting the spring to compress. And out it comes. Interesting. Let's see what we've got here with this. And what we got in there? Oh, some cord. Hard to say what they've got in there. There's some kind of a piece of string wrapped around that. Well, that'll be interesting. You can also see that this spring, without any question, is all bent up. So, we will take this out, set it off the side, grab our plunger disassembly tool here, the caulk gun, grab this, put it back into place. Take the plunger assembly that we just removed, that has a string somehow caught up in it. Keep it out of the way. Push that forward, keep it fairly level, give it a few cranks. Take the pin out, set it off to the side. Remove the air tube, remove the wiper, release the spring, and disassemble. Get that string out of there. Wow. Don't know why. And then examine both the plunger assembly, see if it's still usable. Looks to be a little bent. So that'll be one that we'll inspect pretty intensely. And a spring that actually has kind of a hitch in its get along there. So probably it'll be replaced before everything comes back together again. But that's how that actually is accomplished. And once you're done, just push that back down to lock your washer into place and remove it from your vise.